Well, hello, my dear creatives, and welcome to day 2 of my 3-day creative challenge. So please prepare your materials. It can be any piece of paper that you have right now. It can be a sketchbook. It can be a regular notepad, as I'm using right now, like a regular notepad. And I hope you accomplished my day 1 creative challenge. So in a nutshell, it was all about creative art journaling. Please check out day 1 on my YouTube School of Sketching. So today is day 2, and all you'll need is actually a piece of paper and a pencil. For this live stream, I'll be using a marker just because I want you to really clearly see all that I'm doing right now. But of course, you can use a regular pencil or a pen. So let's get started. First of all, I welcome you to make a nice frame. One more time, I do recommend you to draw all the lines freehand without using any rulers, because it's a great training for your hand. It's a wonderful exercise for you to train your hand. So let's call it like creative challenge. So today is day 2, and welcome. And I call this day 50 dots. It's a very interesting and quite popular among artists exercise, where all you want to do, first of all, is to make 50 dots. So let's begin. For a while I'll be quiet because I'll be counting these dots. So all together, let's do now these dots. Again, you can use a pencil or a black liner or any ink gel pen you need. So I begin counting. And as you can see, I'm doing that chaotically. So you don't think about where exactly to position your dot. You just in a state of flow, okay? Yeah, I did. I just finished my 50 dots. So it can be 30 dots, it can be 100 dots, but I find that for this format, 50 dots, it's pretty much a perfect amount of dots. So what we're gonna do next? I know it might look quite strange. So now we want to rotate our piece of paper and kind of try to see, maybe we can see something in it, any forms, any objects, any ideas, they might be flowing through your brain right now. So it's really great exercise because you kind of turn on your right brain. So our right brain is responsible for our creative thinking, our lateral thinking. So let me see what I can see here. So I think, let me rotate it a couple of times so you can give yourself plenty of time. You can give yourself a couple of minutes to see what's in there. And actually, I can see a butterfly here. So right now, hi Pantelieva, hi Emma, hi Karagura, hi everybody, hi Ideli. Oh, it's so nice, you guys, to have you here live. So now I'll switch to my pencil. Again, for those who just joined me, I used marker here just for the reasons for you to better see what I'm doing. So it will be more contrast here with marker, but you can do it with regular. And now we just want to connect these dots. And I can't wait to read in the comments what you saw in your dots. So I did 50 dots one more time for those who just joined me. Or maybe you can tell me what you can see in my dots here right now, because I can clearly see a butterfly here today. So it's a really, really very fun exercise. And you can, for example, sometimes you can even add some extra dots if you feel like you need some extra to make your object or your form complete. So this is an amazing creative exercise that really helps you to turn on your creativity more, to turn on your lateral thinking. So please tell me in the comments what you came up with in your 50 dots exercise, because I'm definitely having a lot of fun. Plus, you can do maybe some basic objects around these objects. So you just try to relax your brain, because you know these days they are so uncertain, and I know there is a lot of fear and anxiety happening right now in the world. So it's really important for us to stay calm, to stay as relaxed and as positive as possible, and to switch from fear to resilience, because creativity it's something that really helps. Plus this exercise, it's such a great training that you can develop, because creativity, you know, it's a 21st century skill. It's number one, and lots of times when our creative thinking it's kind of switches off, so we want to take ourselves back to it. So here in this 50 dots exercise, just let your brain go, and remember that creativity it's not logical, right? So it's lateral thinking. Okay, so you can fill in this form however you like, the form that you found. You can stop even here with the outline. So it can be anything. It can be an animal, it can be a chair, it can be just a regular emoji, maybe anything. So you can see that it took me maybe 5 to 10 minutes to accomplish, but it gave me so much fun. So let me turn my camera, and I'll check your. Let me know how you're doing these days. Let me fix my iPhone, so I really want to check your comments right now. So it was our day 2. Please remember to check out day 1 exercise on my YouTube, School of Sketching. So Emma found a rose. That's wonderful. That's beautiful. Mahdi, hi architecture. Oh wow, Asma Abdullah saw a dragon wing. Rayhanin saw a human body. Wow, that's so interesting. Italy saw a butterfly as well. Wow, so we are like in a very maybe romantic mode, right? Italy, because we can see like butterflies all around us. All the way from Middle East. Yes, hello. I know a lot of people watching me from States, from Canada, from India, from Saudi Arabia. So hi everybody. Hi Karagalura. Hi Pentele. All right, so I don't want this live stream be like too long, so I think I'll be saving it. Thank you, Asma. Please let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this exercise, if it was fun for you. Oh, merhaba, wow. So tomorrow we will do our final 3rd exercise for this 3-day challenge. And of course, I can't wait to see you tomorrow. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. Yes, it was really fun. Thank you, Abba. Thank you, Reyhane, Yavari. Thank you. So see you tomorrow. Stay safe, stay creative, and stay happy. Bye for now.